Our clients consist of large utilities primarily. Our products are basically designed to be used in distribution substations so that our customers can monitor the various electrical parameters that they would see in a normal substation. On an average yearly basis, we produce close to 100,000 printed circuit boards. The reason for us selecting TIW back in the early 1990s was largely as a result of a few things. One, we're a small manufacturer, and we had a fairly diverse product offering even then, and we needed a package that suited our needs based on our low volume, high mix manufacturing environment. TIW had a strong product, and what was very appealing with their product was really the MRP engine that we utilize. So now we actually have a wholly integrated single TIW solution here on site. So in our manufacturing environment, we actually have in excess of several thousand SKU stock keeping units that we manage on a regular basis. And a tool like the shop floor control system allows us to do that very effectively. The MRP engine is driven by a series of planning bill materials at top level product family planning level, and it blows through those planning bill materials to the lowest raw material component, which in turn, on a regular basis, we do forecast sharing with our suppliers. The types of components that go into our products have very varying lead times, and we actually use the MRP output as a forecast sharing tool with our suppliers so that they can carry the appropriate level of inventory and or pipeline it so that we're never starved of raw materials to meet our production demands. TIW is an excellent tool for that.